Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 1:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from El Mirage to Glendale Sports Complex to Tolleson to Phoenix International Raceway, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
Oh my
60 miles per
God.
hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Glendale, Surprise, Avondale, El Mirage, Tolleson, Youngtown, Sun City, Waddell, Cashin, Litchfield Park, Glendale Sports Complex, Luke Air Force Base, Phoenix International Raceway, and downtown Peoria. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 130 and 141. Arizona Interstate 17 include Phoenix, Glendale, Surprise, Avondale, El Mirage, Tolleson, Youngtown, Sun City, K9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. Interstate 17 between mile markers 205 and 212. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 145 and 159. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona.
A couple of